Hey there, people. How's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Munchkin's Mighty Grip Sippy Cups. Yeah, okay. Well, these cups are a great transition from bottle to cup type action for your little toddler. When I first had my first child, we tried several different types of little cups that were not completely cups yet, that, had the little spout at the tip like this one does. And most of them were, I guess, kind of okay. But as you know, these kind of cups can get kind of expensive, so you really want them to work. There was a few that had like some holes in the top, this top part here, that were just too small, and they just wouldn't, when my child tried to use it, it just, the liquid just wouldn't come out like in a nice stream. This one's not like that. This one has a nice little opening at the top that allows the flow of liquid to come through, and it's really nice, and it's soft. It's like a rubber that is like they can grab onto it really nicely with their mouth. And it's non-toxic. All of it is non-toxic material, and it really is good for any kind of juice, milk, water, anything you want to put in there. And if it spills, it's okay. A little may spill out the top just a little bit, a few drops or something if they topple it over. But for the most part, the liquid pretty much stays in there. It's really good. And these come in several different colors. I've seen purple, blue, red, all kinds of different colors for your kids to really enjoy. And they have a nice little gripping feature on the side here. This part and this part, which also makes for a great design. You see, it kind of looks kind of futuristic. Yeah. So this little tapered center right here with these ridges makes it so that your child can grip this really easily without, having any slipping problems or anything, because, as you know, kids want to run around, and sometimes they want to run and play and jump while holding their bottle. And even though we tell them, not to do that, just put your bottle down if you want to play, sometimes you're looking away and they'll do it anyway. So it just gives them something good to hold on to, and a little more peace of mind for mom and dad that their, juice cup is not going to fall down and splash all over the place. Yeah, it allows for a really nice grip, especially this tapered part here that goes in. It makes it so you can really hold it, hold it really nicely and tightly. Kids love this. And I really like the fact that there's so many different colors, and the price is very economical. I've seen far cheaper than this one, but they don't work as well. So out of the ones that actually, work like you want them to work with all the features that this one has, this one I found is probably the most economical, and you can find them anywhere there. Yeah. And I started my little guy on these sippy cups when he was around, I think it was maybe around 2.5, something like that. And he liked it, At first he thought it was kind of strange that it wasn't the bottle thing. He could tell it was a bit different, but he took to it. He was saying, hey, this is something new. Let's try this, So he was okay with it, and he liked the playful design on the side. It looks kind of like a toy to him. So yeah, it kind of resembles a snake, like a snake that's like a cobra or something that's kind of, like rearing up, Yeah. But these are very good, very good. The Munchkin brand is a very good brand to use for your child's needs, and I've used them for a long time. Yeah, okay, so we've been talking about the Munchkin Mighty Grip Sippy Cup. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.